Good day, fellow YouTubers. Here's my slide suspension. There's the price I paid for them. And there's the number you ever need them for an old machine, 1990 Polaris, from 89 to I think 96. Anyway, I put on the new slides pretty easy. I just undo the bolts, measure from here to here, and it's about 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters. And here's the old ones. They are pretty worn out. This is from the time she was built. And there's the other one. Pretty worn right out. There's right there. All I gotta do now is trim them down. I'm gonna take out the wheels and just do a cut like these work on the slant. The saw I'm using is an old saw for cutting wood, and it works. So all I do now is take the wheels out and cut those down. I'll be back. Oh, there it is. Cut. That one's there a little on the crooked side. That one's on the straight side. That's what you get. Anyway, once they're cut, then I'll put the X back in, and I gotta put this back here in the center. Oh, okay. I gotta put this back in where it was, right there in the center. Back too far. That's too. That's like soft. Gotta put a medium. Anyway. And I got that big fat hole there. Not much I can do about that. There's that one. That's from driving her when she was loose and I didn't realize it. Anyway, I tried filling that with JB Weld, but it didn't work. No. Well, it's all back together. Bolts back in the center, wheels back on, slide suspension. Slides are on, and I'll do that. Put these back in. Oh fuck! Give me a second. Piece there. There. Back together. So I just have to cover it and wait for my sprockets to get back, so I'll put it back together. I don't know what I'll do about that. I put JB Weld in there before. I might have to get some sticks and welding aluminum sticks and put it in there or something, and on that side too. I don't know. Figure something out. Anyway, let's put it. Peace.